Okay, so let's review what we have done so far. We created a linker script to specify the memory map. We defined in the linker script the sections, which has all different sections and where in the memory they go. We created a startup assembly file. Uh, we created a vector table, and we created a reset handler. And finally, we created a C program. So basically, we went through this whole process of giving assembly file, C file, a linker script, and creating an executable. And we also created make files, a supporting infrastructure around it. So we had created, automated the compile process using make. And we also had created the make flash to flash the binary into the microcontroller. We use GDB to set up breakpoints and trace the program and view the variables in there. So basically, this is a very small end-to-end project to get a minimal code into the microcontroller and see how that is working. In the next few videos, we will enable a few peripherals, either to blink an LED or for user interaction, and we will also go deeper into context switch. So these things will build up upon this minimal code we have written so far, and we will see how interesting things starts happening in the microcontroller.